Hi, friends. For those of you who are new here, I'm Dada. And whether you're here to explore new destinations, discover journaling tips, or just enjoy a moment of escape, you're in the right place. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for being part of this journey. For my second video, come journal with me using Helen's journaling prompts. First, let's define what journaling prompts are. These are questions or statements designed to inspire and guide your writing in a journal. They serve as starting points to help you reflect, explore your thoughts, and express your feelings on various topics. Prompts can help overcome writer's block by giving you something specific to focus on, making it easier to start writing. They can cover a wide range of themes such as self discovery, daily reflections, creativity, future planning, and relationships. Essentially, journaling prompts provide direction and structure, making the journaling process more engaging and meaningful. As you can see, I shared a short video of the journaling prompts from the TCMC website. And of course, I asked permission from Helen via email, and she happily agreed to it. So I'm very grateful for that. Just a quick story time. I started writing about journaling prompts last year. I have a specific journal, but I don't do it daily. So let's say I don't have anything eventful or happy, or I don't want to talk about anything sad that happened to me. I go to the website, look for the day for that specific day, and then answer the journaling prompt. That's it. Quick, easy, and no commitment needed. However, come 2024, my journal and planner lineup has changed drastically. So from two, it became like 3 or 4 journals now, and I have a dedicated journal for journaling prompts. I'm using a Midori grid notebook, and I think it's a basic size, and it's perfect size for me because I can still add cute stickers and practice my fountain pen handwriting as well. And as I've said earlier, there's no commitment needed, so I still don't write or answer prompts on a daily basis. But let's say that if a question or a prompt is like a yes or no question, of course, I can just go answer like 2, 3 more. Well, if there are silly questions, there are also life-changing questions. The type that would make you put down your pen, pause, and really think deep. Say, for example, for August 1st, what is a feature you would like in your dream home? And my answer to that was I would want a home office, or more like a craft room for myself. If you follow me on Instagram, you would already know that I'm working from home permanently, and I live alone in a condo unit. Hopefully, eventually, I'll be able to move to a house with my own home office so I don't have to clean up, tuck away my laptop every weekend. Another question from August 9th. What motivates you to keep going during difficult times? My answer to that was after hours of crying, sleepless nights, and several anxiety attacks, knowing that God has better plans for me and everything happens for a reason keeps me going. This one's a little tear-jerker, but an eye-opener. And at the same time, self-awakening. Last prompt for this video for August 15th. How would you spend your time if earning a living wasn't needed? My answer was travel. Oh, how I wish I can just go wherever I want if money is not an issue. Oh yeah, you definitely won't see me in my house anymore. Wishful thinking. Notice the roller coaster of emotions I got reading 3 out of 31 prompts. This is why I love Helen's journaling prompts and I look forward to it every month. I want to know, have you tried answering journaling prompts? How do you like it or not? Well, if you haven't yet, I would suggest you check out the website, try it out, and see if you love it. You never know. Well, if you do, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for future videos, I would love to hear them as well. If you love this content, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you reached this part of the video, again, thank you so much. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at dada_explorer. Thank you, and God bless everyone.